your smile.
Beb, mahal ko. Before everything else, I thank God for this opportunity to get married. Today, in front of those who matter most and by God's grace alone, I promise to love you as Jesus loved us.
You know that sunshine will come back to you again, somewhere down the coast.
Mahal ko, simula sa araw na ito, sa harap ng ating Panginoon Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, sa harap ng ating mga magulang, kapatid at mga kamag-anak, mga mahal sa buhay, ay pinapangako ko na pagsusumikapan ko pang maging isang mas mabuting kabiyak mo sa buhay.
You sing my soul. It's such a long road when you go it alone. Come ride with me. You're my home.
Thank you for everything. Ito na ang gift ko. Ingatan at gamitin mo ito lalo pag aalis ka at wala nang atrasan. See you in altar. I love you.
You're everything that means the most to me. Pabango kahit hindi ka naman bumabaho. Kasi alam ko na mas sumasaya ka pag confident ka sa looks mo. Thank you, Bebe. I love you.
Maraming salamat at sobrang sexy mo. Okay, love you.
You sing my soul. It's such a long road when you go it alone. Come ride with me. You're my home. And I check the mail every morning. Open your letter came without warning.
So marriage is beautiful and wonderful if it is arranged according to God's plan. So, walang masama. Eh, no? Ang pag-asawa, maganda yan. At kahanga-hanga. Kung ito ay ayon sa kalooban at plano ng Diyos. Iyon talagang plano ng Diyos. Kailan sundin natin ang plano ng Diyos para maging maayos ang pag-asawa.
You had a smile to light up the day, and I watched your love like an endless parade, and I'd celebrate.
Consistent siyang nagme-message, ganyan, nangangamusta. Then yun, unti-unting, dati hindi ko siya gusto, tas ngayon, unti-unti, okay pala to.
Tapos nahuhuli ko siya minsan na patingin-tingin siya sa akin habang sinututora niya yung pinsan ko. Kaya ayun na rin siguro yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Maraming salamat sa inyong gusto ko malaman nyo na sobrang buti yung magulang sa akin. Sobrang buting magulang niyo sa akin. Salamat.
Salamat anak ko. I love you very much. Love you anak.
Don't you start running now. If I am your only doubt, 'cause nothing could slow me down when I'm on my way to you.
I will stick with you, may sakit man o wala, may hot matcha man o wala, and at the same time, believe with you that God is our healer and provider.
At kahit sobrang hirap na ng sitwasyon, ay pipiliin kong piliting huminto, sandali, tapos huminga, pipiliin ko, piliting alalahanin itong araw na to na nangako ako sa iyo kung nasaan man ako makarating at hanggat nabubuhay ako, ay ikaw lang ang aking nag-iisang asawang pinakamagandang mamahalin.
If I am your only doubt, there's nothing could slow me down when I'm on my way to you.
na mahal kita. Alam ko, hindi madali yung magkalayo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na narito lang ako palagi. Sabay tayong tatanda na magkasama.
Hold me down when I'm on my way to you.
I will be by your side and vow to hold your dreams as my own, even in the darkest hours, that you are never be alone. Muli, mahal na mahal kita, mahal ko, at excited akong harapin ang buhay na kasama ka. I love you.
Started to believe it's life changing, setting me free. Love is waiting. We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love. Spread that love. Yeah. Spread the love. It always feels right, it don't cost nothing. A beautiful life, make it mean something. We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love. I'm starting to believe it's life